Hi guys, welcome back to a Quizland. Today you're looking at the review of this one. This is SpongeBob SquarePants Patty Wagon Remote Control. In description in SpongeBob SquarePants Movie 2004 film scene Patty Wagon. The Patty Wagon's first appearance in Krusty Krab 2 down the elevator here. Patrick and SpongeBob are going to find Neptune's crown. And then going to the gas stations and fill it up, please. The gas fishies, a ghost laughing and jerky a silly Billy like a goat did, and goes in your face. And SpongeBob and Patrick are going to near crown the Shell City, but suddenly Thug Tug guy fish, he says, out of the cars, fellas. And then they're going to drive. And SpongeBob and Patrick's found in, Patty Wagon car, and suddenly a missing key found in Thug Tug. Patrick found in Patty Wagon's key, going to nearly Shell City. In the scenes, Patrick and SpongeBob are going to near the Shell City with the Patty Wagons. They see the oldest reefs and the nightmare oceans, and even skeleton carcass skulls, and even the bones. And Patrick saw the free ice cream. SpongeBob get a 2-clone chocolate ice cream. But it's not the fish guy with a chocolate ice cream guy. It was a tongue, the stranger's sharp teeth, and the eyes is a red, the largest monster fish called frogfish. Frogfish is a type of members of a family group of an anglerfish. And SpongeBob and Patrick being scared of a frogfish and drives away. Fast moving frogfish is chasing for driving Patty Wagon and SpongeBob Patrick. And finally goes. The frogfish eats the Patty Wagons, but finally it goes. The giant world eels eat frogfish, and fatality. Okay, closer details on it. That's a large one. There's a light, see a dog here from nighttime. There's a grabby patty meat here. There's a plant here and the veg and coffee flour with upon the grabby patty. There's a cheese. There's a buns. There's a rice. There's a pickle wheels. And on the underside, there's upon flag or without flag. And there's a SpongeBob character here with a driving here. In fact, they use a remote control. Using the present arrow to the right here, the forwards, and down here they use a backwards here. And the left here, they turn left. Down here, they turn right here. They use a maze. Okay guys, please thank you for Quizland and subscribe to me. I'll see you in the next video, must including Simba. SpongeBob's house and Krusty Krab and Squidward's house playset. And I'll see you in the next video. See you soon. Goodbye.